Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve 8th of January 2020 JEE Main Shift 1 question. Question number 1. Let cos x dx divide sin cube x 1 plus sin to the power 6x whole 2 by 3 is equal to fx into 1 plus sin to the power 6x whole 1 by lambda plus c. Then find the value of lambda into f of pi by 3. 4 options are given. After finishing 7 January all question, we now moving toward to 8 January question. And this question is in the house of integral equation. This is a equation where we know fx and lambda is unknown, and this is equal to this. So left hand side we know integration of cos x dx divide sin cube x into 1 plus sin to the power 6x divide in whole 2 by 3 is given. Let sin x is equal to t implies cos x dx is equal to dt. Now the integration becomes dt divide t cube into 1 plus t to the power 6 whole 2 by 3. Now just calculating denominator, we get t to the power t cube into t to the power 4, and this right 1 by t to the power 6 whole 2/3. Once again, let 1 plus 1 by t to the power 6 is equal to u. Now again differentiating with respect to t, we get minus 1 by t to the power 7 is into dt is equal to du, and a 6 is here, a 6 is here, 6t to the power minus 7. So therefore just simplifying this, minus of du by 6 is equal to dt by t to the power 7. Just eliminated, placing the value of t with respect to u. Now this integration becomes integration of dt by t to the power 7. So it is right du by minus 6 into 1 by u to the power 2 by 3. Then it becomes minus of 1 by 6 integration u to the power minus 2 by 3 du. So integrating this we get minus 1 by 6 into u to the power 1 by 3 divide 1 by 3 plus c. So this becomes minus half into u to the power 1 by 3 plus c. Now putting the value of u is 1 plus t to the power 1 plus 1 by t to the power 6. So this becomes 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by t to the power 6 whole 1 by 3 plus c. This becomes minus half into, replace the value of t with sin x. Now this becomes 1 plus t to the power 6 divides t6 I just write down once again, simplifying this. Now we place t is equal to sin x minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus sin to the power 6x whole 1 by 3, and it is square, t to the power 6 into 1 by 3 means t square means sin square x plus c. Now our given right hand side is fx into 1 plus sin x to the power 1 by lambda plus c, and we reached left hand side is equal to this. So this is equal to fx into 1 plus sin to the power 6 whole 1 by lambda plus c is given. This is equal to this given. So therefore fx is equal to easily say minus half sin x square 1 by 2 sin x square, and our lambda is equal to cc common, so lambda is equal to 3, and our lambda is equal to 3. So question gives find the value of lambda into pi by 3, f of pi by 3. So we want f lambda into pi by 3. So we know lambda is equal to 3, and f of pi by 3 is equal to minus into 2 into sin square x means sin pi by 3 square, sin pi by 3 square. We know sin pi by 3 is equal to root 3 by 2, so it is 3 by 4. So it becomes 3 into minus 1, 2 into 3 by 4. So it is 2, and it becomes 3 into minus 1 divide minus 1 into 2 divide 3. So we reached, and our answer is minus 2. This is our required answer, and our option is option 2. So this is a very calculative and so much calculations in here, and I think it is tough problem, because at first we want simplifying the value t, then the values of t is transferred just like factor of u, and then putting calculation finished, and we just finding the value fx and lambda, and then putting this in lambda and f of pi by 3. That's all for today. Any question, any queries, you just comment me in the comment box, and that's all.